How to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips and strategies on how you can get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on YouTube. These are important milestones for unlocking certain features and opportunities on the platform. So, let's jump right into it. Create high quality content. The foundation of any successful YouTube channel is high quality content. Spend time planning and producing videos that are informative, entertaining, and engaging. Understand your target audience and deliver content that caters to their interests. Remember, quality over quantity is crucial. Optimize your video metadata. Make sure your videos are discoverable by optimizing your video metadata. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. Engage with your viewer. Build a strong community by actively engaging with your viewer. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage discussions. This will create a loyal fan base that will keep coming back for more. Consistent upload schedule. Stick to a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, let your viewer know when they can expect new content from you. Consistency is key to growing your subscriber base. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can introduce your channel to a whole new audience. Look for creators with a similar subscriber count and audience size, and reach out to them for potential collaboration opportunities. It's a win-win situation for both channels. Promote your channel on social media. Leverage the power of social media to promote your YouTube channel. Create accounts on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and share teasers, behind-the-scenes footage, and updates about your videos. Engage with your followers and encourage them to check out your YouTube channel. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Create visually appealing thumbnails that grab viewer attention and entice them to click on your videos. Make sure the thumbnail accurately represents the content of your video and stands out among the sea of other videos. Leverage YouTube's end screens and cards. Take advantage of YouTube's end screens and cards feature to promote your other videos, playlists, or even encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. These interactive elements help drive engagement and keep viewers on your channel. Optimize video length. Pay attention to your video's length. While longer videos may be suitable for certain content, shorter videos tend to perform better in terms of audience retention. Analyze your audience's viewing patterns and adjust the length of your videos accordingly. Promote your channel on other platforms. Don't limit your promotional efforts to YouTube alone. Cross-promote your channel on other platforms such as your blog, website, or even through guest blogging. Expand your reach and attract new viewers to your YouTube channel. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 valuable tips on how to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on YouTube. Remember, building a successful channel takes time and dedication. Stay consistent, engage with your viewer, and keep improving your content. Good luck, and we hope to celebrate your milestones soon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.